Hey, welcome back. This is Shrashira, and today we're going to do something a little healthy, right? Something that'll help you out with your antioxidants, your cholesterol. If you have high your blood sugar, this can help out a little bit because it has vinegar in it, right? Now, granted, this is seasoned rice vinegar, but it's vinegar nonetheless. Yes, there's a little sugar in it. It's real simple. It's a nice snack that you can have between meals. I know you're going to enjoy it, especially if you like the sweet and sour tangy flavor. So this is what we're doing. Yeah. We're pickling cucumbers. Quick, sweet and sour Asian cucumbers. Now, you can use carrots in there, you can put onions in there, but I'm just giving you the basic, right? So you can get the mind going, so so you have a good starting place. Now, where you take it after this, it's up to you. But like I said, use carrots, onions. We're using cucumbers today. I know you're going to enjoy it. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, this recipe is going to be real quick, real simple. And as far as the taste of it, the texture, that's going to depend completely on you and how you like it. So what you're going to need is a cucumber, right? A quarter of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of some seasoned rice vinegar, right? This is the brand I use, right? This is one I use, sweet and tangy flavor. So now all we have to do at this point, we're going to mix the sugar and the vinegar together. But before that, we're going to slice up the cucumber. So let's get that set up. Okay, so what you want to do is cut your cucumber up into thin slices. See? Thin slices, right? And we're going to put them in this bowl for now. So let's get this cut up. You can cut them as thick or as thin as you want, but just remember, the thicker you cut them, the longer they're going to have to sit in the liquid. So let me go through these and then we'll be back. Alright, so we got our cucumber slices in here, and we probably won't use them all, but I like to eat them by themselves anyway. Additionally, with just a little bit of salt on it. Okay, so let's put the sugar in to the vinegar. Again, 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, depending on how many cucumbers you cut up, you may have to make this brine, this fluid again. So keep that in mind. Now I'll explain to you why here in a minute. So let me stir this up. Get the sugar nice and dissolved. Alright, so it's getting dissolved now. So now what we're going to do, we have our jar here, and we're going to put these cucumbers slices in the jar. Right, and because I'm using this jar like this, shake it up, make sure it settles well. This is why I said you may need more of the solution, because you really want to cover the cucumbers. Get them in here, kind of pack them if you can. And depending on how you cut them, you may be able to get more in here. You might be able to get less. It just depends on how you cut it. All right, that's good. Left me with a few to snack on. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add this solution to the jar. Right? So let's get this poured in. See how far it goes up. And it looks like we only need one more step. So I'll be right back when I make some more. Alright, so we got our other solution going. Let's add this. We want to make sure that everything is covered. And this is covered quite nicely. Now we're going to put the lid on it. Right? Give it a quick shake, let the air bubbles, let everything get in, get taken care of. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Okay? At least 30 minutes. The prime time zone for flavor is between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Alright, so like I said, it's going to go in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. Okay? The sweet spot is between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Now, however, you can keep it in there longer, but the longer you keep it in there, the more vinegary the cucumbers are going to get. Okay? And this will last in the fridge, I would say for best quality, 3 days. Okay? You can surpass that if you want. But for me, I like to get to the food when the quality is at its best. Okay? So limit to 3 days. If you really like it, it won't last 3 days. Right? Because you can add it in salads and so forth. It's pretty good. So keep that in mind. I'll see you back in about a half hour to 2 hours, depending, and we'll give it a shot. All right, so we took it out of the refrigerator. It's been almost 2 hours, right? So we're gonna give it a taste. If you like tangy, sweet and sour type of vegetables, this could be good for you. A little bit here. Take a little bite. Yep. Amazing. Sweet. You can taste the seasoned vinegar. Amazing. So again, there you go. For best quality, like I said, you want to use this within 3 days. Can you go longer? Yeah, you can go up to a week. After that, I wouldn't recommend it. You just won't like it. The cucumbers will start getting soft. You want to get that crunch, right? With all the the vinegar and the sugar, the seasoning that's in the seasoned vinegar, the rice vinegar. I don't want you to miss out on that. Okay, so if you like this recipe, give me a like, comment, definitely subscribe, and I will be eating this with some of the dishes I'm going to be showing you guys this week. So you can stay tuned for that. Enjoy.